Let's make a simple yellow potato and pea curry. Quick and easy and packed with buttery goodness. Let's get cooking. Heat up the pot on the stove with a medium to high heat. Add in a 1/4 cup of oil. Once hot, add in a teaspoon each of jeera and mustard seeds. Fry for about a minute. Add in 1 chopped onion, 2 chilies and a few curry leaves. Mix well and fry for a minute or 2. Add in salt to taste, mix well and fry until the onions have changed color. Add in 1 teaspoon of ground garlic and mix well. When the onions have turned translucent, add in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Add in half a chopped tomato, mix well and cook until the tomatoes are soft. Add in the peeled and cubed potatoes. I have used 4 large potatoes. Mix well. Add in a 1/4 cup of peas, mix. Then you're going to add in 1 cup of hot water and mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Cover your pot, turn the heat to a medium setting and cook until your potatoes are soft. You need to check often to add more water if needed. After 15 minutes, the potatoes are cooked. You can now turn the heat off and remove the pot from this plate. Garnish with a handful of chopped coriander. You can serve this yellow potato with rice, roti or bread. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.